Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin. I hope you're all doing very well as always, and we're going to update everything Bitcoin related really as always. So before to start, I'm just going to check that everything is working well. I'm just gonna wait for the delay. Yes, it's working well, pretty cool. Just gonna remove that, perfect. Yeah, so today let me see here. So we've got a nice drop. Yesterday as I said, this top right here was not bearish, this was not bearish, so the first here to expect is minimum a retest. Okay, so we've got the retest, and from here get a nice bam pullback with a front run, as you can see here, of this value area, a low level by the way. Get a nice drop into, as you can see here, the daily naked point of control. That's why I'm taking the top, because if you took the middle of the daily naked point of control, you will miss that low. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So we can remove this right there and look for a swing Philippine by the way of this. If we have to do a retest right there, we can remove this DNPOC now. Perfect, and we can go on the daily time frame to see if we have a new daily level. So if this can load, perfect. No, we don't. Okay, so let's come back here. Really long today. Okay, nice. So this, okay. Let's go down into charts. These templates, again, I keep saying this every day, but this right here, this template, plus the weekly and the monthly negative path control here, plus the order flow here. Okay, so this, for example, that really allows you to make some informed trading decisions, because you see what's happening really behind the market. All of this is for absolutely free, just waiting for you on the website. You just have to create an account for absolutely free, and you can download this. Okay, you just have to go here into the course section. You just scroll down here, go into the resource, and you will be able to download the file. Okay, from here you just have to import the workspace into the workspace menu here, and you will be able to get all of this right here, what I'm using really. But anyway, so here we do have one naked session path control here already hit. This is where we're gonna bounce already. We are coming into a naked session path control. It's a bit too close to the current price action, so I personally don't like this. I'm not going to add this. I would like her low to take a long or a short trade, so I'm not going to add any naked session path control here yet. TPO, we have none. Okay, by the way, we have a single print, as you can see here, just above the top here. We've done have a single print, something to be aware of. And so daily negative path control, we have none at the moment. Maybe on tick 1. Okay, so on tick 1 we do have one here. So let's take this one and add it. It is at 42001 right here. So here, wait, I place it up perfectly, or okay, I was like wonder above. Pretty cool. Nice. So this right here, yeah, that brings us with the swing Philippine I was talking about earlier. Okay, so I'm gonna place this here. Alright, yeah, so the first trade of the day will be, for a long trade of course, will be this long setup here, where you just get again, I'm careful longing, okay, simply because I'm looking for such configuration here, where I'm looking for a B wave, okay, and a possible C wave to the downside. So I'm looking and I'm waiting for a bearish reaction here for the B wave, okay, for the B wave top to happen really. Otherwise I'm not going to short, of course. So here there is this possible long trade setup, but yeah, be careful that if we start dropping from here, we can be in the C, so go for a new low. Okay, that's why, as always, don't forget to read the order flow. By the way, I'm just going to replace that here. Perfect. And gonna go here on the order flow. Don't forget to read this. This is extremely important to make some informed trading decisions. Okay, yesterday, for example, that top here wasn't bearish, and then I was not reading the order flow here. So maybe this one was bearish, but this was a retest. This is minimum to expect if a top or a bottom, by the way. So not bearish for a top or not bullish for a bottom. But yeah, so this is the first trade, I mean the first possible long trade of the day. Okay, the possible first idea. We have the swing Philippine. Okay, we can look for a bigger swing Philip pound below here into the daily negative path control plus the path control. If we start breaking this zone of price, okay, this by the way, this path control here, we are more likely going to look for a new low to be made. So the second possible long idea will be simply here from the swing Philip pound down to this bottom and this value area low here, okay, with yeah, the possible swing Philip pound at the bottom, but in that case there will be another long setup. So this is the first possible one, okay, with all this support. Next target is really from this low right here for a possible swing Philip pound down to this value area low, and if we start breaking this, then we're simply going to look for the lows right here to be taken. We have a triple bottom on Bybit, we have a double bottom on Coinbase, so just be aware of this. As Coinbase, as you can see here, we did took the previous low already. Okay, if you have any questions by reading during this live stream, do not hesitate to ask in the chat. It's made for this. And yeah, so these are the intra, I mean, within the range really, possible long trades. And if we have to look for a short trade, first of all, I will be more interested into a short around the top here to take this high. Yes, we do have the naked session path control just right now. We are hitting this naked session path control at the moment. But I will prefer to go into this value area high, swing Philip at the top, and I guess the 61866% 7x6 here. Oops, wrong stuff. Perfect. So here, yeah, perfect. So I will prefer to come into this zone here above, to be honest with you. Now, are we going to get it or not? I don't know, but this is my preferred target for a show. If we retrace from before, then it's missed, and I don't care really to miss a trade. Prefer to miss than to take a loss personally. But anyway, so yeah, this will be the first possible short setup right here, really. Okay, just above this high, that will be cool. To bring it back down, or, you know, trade as a scalp with a horizontal move. You know how I'm trading today. And if we get nothing of this, so to speak, no reaction on the order flow, there is nothing bearish on this, we're simply going to look for the value area low here level plus the swing Philip of this top plus the swing Philip of this top. Okay, so this right here will be the next possible short setup where we can look for this nice C wave here to the downside. Okay, I'm not going to take profit, to take profit, to take the lows here. Okay, I'm not going to wait for the lows to be taken really to take profit. I'm going, of course, to take profit earlier into the support here with plant. This is extremely important. I'm going to trade this as a scalp and then turn it into a swing if it have to be turned into a swing. Okay, but don't forget to take profit, of course, before. Don't wait for the bottom right here to be taken, because sometimes we can, for example, take the highs once more, get a good short data. Okay, we take the highs once more, get a good short data, and come back up again because this was just a scalp. And so here we get another good short data, and we finally drop. In that case, we will take a loss here that you could avoid by taking profit one time, set your stop loss entry, and setting your stop loss entry and get stopped out. Okay, but anyway, so yeah. So yeah, this right here will be the second short target, so the tops right here really to be taken. If there is nothing of the tops, we can look for this daily level with a daily negative path control, okay? Right here, that is by the way the path control of this consolidation before, really, this zone of price. If we start breaking this, I will be looking for all the tops here to be taken with a daily up to this top right here with a naked session path control. So to speak, the three squares above are the three resistance for a possible short trade. So we do have all of this possible short setup. Sorry. If now we start breaking this last zone of resistance with a naked session path control, we can simply look for the overall range high to be taken. Okay, this is the top we have done really at the moment. And of course, if we take the high, we can look for a swing Philip or a fair auction. Now, these are the different possible trades or within the range. Okay. Now we can of course look for higher and lower if we have to push above or if we have to drop from here really. Sorry, it's a bit slow this morning, don't know why, switching the time frames, but anyway, gonna go on the 8 hours, yeah, it will be better like this. Nice. So just above us, okay, if we start breaking here at the top with no swing Philip or fair auction, we can simply look here for the monthly level at 45,500. If we start breaking here the monthly level, we have this weekly level with the path control and the swing Philip right here just above. Okay, really beware of the swing Philip. So the weekly at $46,820 and the path control at $47,235. The swing Philip here is simply the top right there. If we start breaking this top with no swing Philip or as always a fair auction, we can simply look for this overall top really to be taken. So at 48,200 normally up to this monthly negative path control at 48,600, 700. Okay, If we start to break this zone of resistance, we can simply look here for a nice increase in price into this weekly level, plus the top right here for a possible swing through pan or fail auction. If there is none, we can look for this value high level. Okay, we're just a big swing through pan here into this value high level at 53,600, by the way. These are the different targets to the upside. Okay, we can look for some possible top to be made, and otherwise to the downside here for some possible bounce. Okay, we can simply look here. So this was, for example, what we've planned before. I'm just going to go on a bit of a lower time frame to show you this. As I said here, if we start breaking, so it was a weekly negative path control here with nothing good for a long below that low here, so no swing Philip power fail auction. We're simply going to look for the next consolidation here and a swing Philip power of this bottom. If there is no swing Philip power, we're going to look for this zone of price, really is consolidation again with the key level for a possible swing Philip power, the lows key level, or swing Philip power is lows of the consolidation. Okay, we've got the swing Philip pan of these lows right here, so now we can refresh that and say, okay, now we have to look for a swing Philip pan of this. If there is no swing Philip pan or fail auction of this, we're simply going to look for the next target we've planned. So the bottoms right here of this consolidation, the key level, or the bottoms right here of this consolidation. Okay, so all of this zone of price really. If we start breaking this, we can look simply here for the weekly negative path control, the yellow level at 37,700. And if we start breaking this, so it's a zone for me here, you know. So this weekly negative path control plus a monthly negative path control with this value area high. And if we start breaking this value area high with no swing Philip pan by way of the low just below here, we're simply going to look for a nice drop normally here, and we're going to see normally a nice drop into this path control and this value area low. Okay, we can bounce off the swing Philip pans there, it's possible, but normally if we break the value area high, we'll have more chance to go into the next levels of this fixed range that are the path control and the value area low levels. Okay, because yeah, be aware that we do have some support a lot. Okay, we do have some lower time frame support. If you want to add every single level, add every single level. Okay, these are really for scalpers and day traders. Now, yeah, this is announced, to be fair. Okay, if we go there, I'll be looking, of course, at these lower time frame levels, but I will be more referring to this higher time frame plan because, as always, the higher time frame is stronger than the lower time frame. Okay, this is extremely important to understand this. But anyway, normally break the value area high, look for the path control and the value area low. Break the value area low here. Of course, we can do a massive wick below, reclaim, bam, 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 and come back up to take the overall range consolidation lows here. Okay, just be aware of this. Now, if there is a loss of the value area low and we do not reclaim, get no swing Philip pound, nothing, we're simply going to see a really nice move to the downside into 30,700. Okay, so a really big drop. I'm not going to lie, like we lose 3,000. Yeah, 3,000 really. So it's a really nice drop, and so from here we have the 4 levels here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 levels, okay, so the value area low down to this weekly level are some old resistance. I'm keeping these simply because we can do some flip to support, and this can still give some good possible trades. But be aware of that the real support, the support we printed below are really starting from 28,800. So the first small support, if you can say that, really come around 30,600, but the real bigger ones are really coming around 28,800. This is really something to understand. Okay, just gonna check something really quick here with the volume. Well, yeah, perfect. I'm not going to go too low for the moment, it's not really useful in my opinion, and so yeah, we're good with the level. So now let's go on the waves. Nothing changed so much, to be fair. We got a nice drop yesterday. I'm personally more looking for a possible double EXY here. Okay, again, don't forget the other possibilities on the higher time frame. Okay, you really have to keep in mind these. But if we have to into that B wave, I'll be looking more likely for a kind of ABC zigzag here, ABC. And so a possible ending here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, possible ending. Smaller waves are a bit weird in this, to be honest, but this for me looks a bit more like an ABC zigzag. Okay, ABC. I wanted to take this as a flat first of all, ABC flat, but I'm gonna take this as an ABC zigzag instead, because the C here is more than 200%. I mean 1618, we hit the 200%, so this is an extension, and it's not really common to do this into for an ABC flat really. Okay, so I'm gonna take the case that we have done a 5 waves correction, 5 waves, a 5 waves correction, 5 waves, and so here we do have only a 5 waves, so we have a correction and we need to do another 5 waves. Now maybe I'm wrong because this is a 15 minutes, you know, it's a really lower time frame, so we do have many different possibilities also on a lower time frame, even more normally. But yeah, this is something I'm possibly spotting right now. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Yeah, just gonna trade everything based off the reaction, to be honest with you. Just gonna stick to the plan with the levels, so this top right here around there, you know, with the 6.86%, all of this really. Yeah, but yeah, this is something possible with waves. In any case, I'm looking for this ABC zigzag still. Okay, we don't really care about the low time frame waves, to be honest. These are the two more likely targets. Okay, but I'm gonna refer to the levels more and more, because the premise, if the count is wrong, this can also be, for example, a W, X, Y, X, and Z. That will be a bit what the fuck with a small wave, but sometimes, you know, we just have to get acceptance. In that case, the pull of the last wave is going to be different, and these are not going to be the good targets. That's why I prefer to look at the levels than the targets with using the fibs. Okay. But yeah, I'm looking in any case for the B here more likely, and then the C here, okay, into the wave 4. But I mean, I'm not going to repeat myself on the waves. We've planned everything on Monday, Tuesday already. So if you want to get more details about all the different configuration, everything, just go and check this out. Really, you will get everything there. But anyway, I don't know if you have some questions today. Let me know in the chat. Otherwise, we're good. Really, there is nothing more really to add on this. Yeah, no, we're good, really. Where is this, by the way? Okay. Nice. Just gonna set some LEDs there. If I can. Don't know why it's laggy like this. It's only train view that is laggy like this. I don't know why. Value hello, okay. Oops. Let's go. Swing Philly pound 2, and yeah, it's really laggy. Anyway, yeah, good. Hey mate, good to see you here. Just gonna pop out the chat so everyone can see your message. Can you take a look and update the RDNT chart? I'm going to check it here. Wait, just 2 seconds, please. Oops, I'm gonna go in here, MC waves, and where's this? Here, 80s. What you say? RDNT. Not trading so much DRs these days, so don't know what So is doing, for example. Yeah, I mean, everything played perfectly here. I'm not going to move everything because I have to check this first. 3 4 5 3 4 5. Nice. Everything is following. Anyway, it was RDNT. It's not in here. Oh, I'm stupid. I already checked it here, but I haven't noticed. Anyway, damn, there are a lot of stuff on the chart right now. What was this? Well, the first resistance was respected, not gonna lie. Look at this. How the first... Well, the 61886%, not really, but... And this path control is monthly here, again. And now. This is pretty cool. Yeah, it all depends on Bitcoin, to be fair. Because this can be taken as an ABC. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with some crazy, a crazy leading, expanding leading, with another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ABC zigzag. Okay, with an ending here, by the way. And otherwise, a bullish panel will be a wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2 here, I guess. Yeah. And just by checking really quickly, I have not spent some few time on this, but just by checking right now what it could be, I think it will be this. But the first target gives some really nice trades, not gonna lie. That's pretty cool. If you want to see, by the way, if there are some people watching right now wondering, okay, what are all of this, just go and check this. I really have on the YouTube channel. You have it's in here. You can go in the playlist, by the way, and in the ads, right here, you can go and find the RDNT. This is the RDNT TA in here, the full TA. So I really explain everything. Yeah. But anyway, so this is what I think more likely. I've not updated the level at all, but I don't want to make these daily updates too long. So, where is the chat here? Because I see a question. Right here. So, and by the way, on Bitcoin, we just bounced it from the 618 with 1 minute MC shorts. Oh, yeah, okay. I think you meant rejected. Because it was like, wait, we bounced it from somewhere? We said, okay. What minute MC short was this a trade to take? Let me see something really quickly here. We do have the naked session path control too, but again, are we above or no? It's fine. Okay. We just have this fingerprint. Maybe that will be cool to wait for this to be lost, because it can be a flip to support otherwise. And otherwise here, what do we have before? Let me see real quick. Oof. Well, yeah, it's I don't like this kind of big bullish divergence here, to be honest. It's from a big wick, so it's okay, but the premise we still have a small bottom here. We have a low, high, low, and a low, lower, low here still. So yeah, we really need to get absorption above here to take the short. Because we do have some massive amount of longs right now coming. Jeez, we have 13 million, 11 million here, 8 million, 13 million here. What the fuck? 284. Okay. 7. Just checking the context on every time frame, so I'm not taking a trade like this without checking the context. Okay. Well, if we break the swing failure, the single print, why not? If we have enough space here for the horizontal move, where is the next support, by the way? Yeah, the view up here. So yeah, I would like to break the single print first, and if this is broken, yes, this is a short trade. Because otherwise it can be just a simple flip to support, so that's a bit of a problem. Yeah. Oof. Fuck. Here. Alright, just gonna make this again smaller. Perfect. This I guess also smaller. Perfect. And we are good with this. Well, the best also really, the best of the best will be also to lose this kind of zone of buyers, really. Okay, to really expect lower prices to really go and trap these longs, to retake these longs money will be to lose this zone of support where there are some longs defending here. That'll be cool. But yeah, first really just that'll be cool to break the single print, and then get enough space between the loss of the single print and between the view up. Really, hope that makes sense. Here I don't know the 10-second chart how it looks like. I'm just gonna reduce this because yeah, this is really what I will do right now. Yeah, so hope this helped. Thank you very much. My pleasure, mate. My pleasure, my pleasure. Check 1000 rats right now, possible SFP short. Already 30 minutes. We're gonna check really quick. Oops. Gonna go on here, by the way. But normally, if we are, yeah. No. It's this. Wait, is it this? I'm just gonna double check here. 1000 rats, yes. Oh, by the way, what have done XRP here? Okay. Ooh. Okay. That's a nice impulsive you have right here. Well, yeah, I would say you do have these. I mean, there are some waves before. Always start from the beginning, but I would say here this is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a massive wave 5 with an extension. And this right here can be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I need to spend a lot more time to make a good TA on something, but the RSI is following with this 1, 2, 3, 4, and the wave 5 make these divergence, and the wave 4 don't break the wave 2. And yeah, it's perfect right now. So your question was really possible swing Philip pan. We did do the highs here. So well, first of all, this is a massive uptrend. Okay, so that's something really you should be careful trying to short stuff like that. Look at this, 1618, perfect for the wave 3. Then we do have a nice wave 4 because the wave 2 was small, I guess. It looks small, by the way, but yep. Yes, so we shall do a 50% here, 31 to 50%. Well, perfect. Let's go with this. 38 to 50%. Well, these are the wave 5 targets, right? So if you can count 5 waves in the wave 5, yes, there is a possible swing for the pound then. Wait, yeah, right here. But again, don't forget that there is another wave before. Like I'm telling you that there is this wave 1, 2, 3, or 5 here. Again, I just spent like 2-3 minutes on this, so I don't know. But what can I see? What I can see here is a possible wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a massive wave 5. So if you come again, it can be that the prime here trying to show. It can be simply a wave 1, 2, another wave 1, 2 here, and this is a wave 3 now, a wave 4 and a wave 5, and you're going to do next another. So 5 waves completed for the wave 3, so another wave 4, so another wave 5. So it can be either a massive extension in the wave 5, either a bigger, really bullish move. That's why trying to show that is a little bit complex. More if you don't have the levels here above because you don't have all data here. So it's really complex. So you only have this. So the best way really, if you, again, this is where I will do it, is really so to spend a lot more time on this asset, right? To do some TAs on that because I just spent some few minutes. Otherwise, you wait for some possible 5 waves down on the reversal, okay? If you do have 5 waves down, make sure it's not a C wave of a flat, okay? And if it's not possible, you cannot get a C wave of a flat, it means that you are going to make an ABC zigzag or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a bigger impulsive down, so a bigger reversal. So yeah, just you can just wait for this for a safer for a safest entry really, okay? But yeah, the thing is, what I wanted to say is also, so you have, these 2 different configuration, wave 5 with a massive extension, or the wave 3, bigger impulsive 1, 2, 1, 2 here, and 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 extra. But the thing is, you do have a possible wave 1, 2 here before also. So you are going to, when you complete the full 5 waves in here, you're going to retrace, so possibly done massively, that's an ABC zigzag, okay? This is an A, B, and C, but again, when you're in such big move to the upside, you take an impulsive more likely, so you normally look for a bigger wave 4 and bigger wave 5 next, okay? So yeah, this is what I can see at the moment on this asset, and yeah, these are the different targets for the push up right now. Where is the chat? Right here. Oh, reloaded that. Gotcha, thank you. My pleasure, mate. I can see another message on the left here. I can see, but I don't know why I don't see it on the right. I don't know. Shame it is not so manipulated. I know how many longs and short there is, and it just keep bouncing around the liquidation to liquidate people. I don't know which asset you're talking about. But I mean, yeah, the market is just this is a market, right? You just take the other's money. So if there are a lot of people longing at some point, you're going to reverse that. If there are a lot of people shorting at some point, you're going to reverse that to take these people's money, right? So it's always like this. But you're used to it because yeah, it's always like that. So it's better to be used to this. But yeah, so I think we're good for today. So thank you all for watching. Hope this quick update on this asset was good else. I don't know. Yeah, if you have any questions, by the way, do not hesitate to ask in the chat. Now it's gonna be a bit late because I'm gonna end the live stream. But otherwise, you can join the Discord server right here. You have the link in the description. Go into the main chat here, question channel, ask your question. It's a real pleasure as always for me to answer you. And otherwise, you can go also on the website, check out all the course and everything. You have some nice stuff for absolutely free. You can get a master role here on the Discord server. You just have to participate really to just play, if we can say that, on the Discord server. You just have to post your TAs, be active, and you will be able to or not get the L wave or Exo Chance master role. It's the community that is going to vote. And you also have the Geyser Pan that is absolutely free, the beginner course, the Elliott Wave free course. Of course, you have some more advanced stuff next, but you don't need this to start really. You can absolutely learn for absolutely free and start your learning for free. And you have some resources to download, of course, for absolutely free, such as all this workspace here I'm using every single day. This is how I'm making my money, really. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty cool. And if you want, by the way, to also help the channel, really, this is a way you can do simply by also get some bonus just for you. You can get up to 7,000 deposit bonus just by checking the link in the description, create an account with this link, and use the MCXBT code into the promo code section or something like this into your account. And yeah, you will be able to get up to 7,000 deposit bonus just by making a deposit. This is pretty cool on PRIMEXBT, of course. And yeah, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day. Thank you all for watching. And by the way, before to end, do we have some news today? December 19? No, we don't. So yeah, no news today. Nothing more really to add on this. So yeah, have a brilliant day. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers. And by the way, we are Friday. Completely forgot we are Friday or not. Yes, we are Friday. So have a nice weekend too. Take care. Cheers.